Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to use this motorcycle loudspeaker. This loudspeaker should be installed beneath the headlight of your motorcycle. The package includes the loudspeaker, the support, a bag of screws, the controller, and the holder of it. We control the loudspeaker with this controller. That's why you see no buttons on the loudspeaker. Now let me give you a quick tour of the speaker. In the bottom of it, we see a set of LED lights. Here is how we install it. There are 3 wires: blue, white, red, and a female plug. Some motorcycles have this kind of male plug. You can just plug it in. Or you can cut the plug off if your motorcycle doesn't have the accordion plug. Don't worry, connecting the wires isn't very easy. Now I have cut the plug off the wires and got the 3 wires. Use the support to fix the speaker to your motorcycle by screwing it together. The green wire is to connect with the negative wire. The white wire is to control the LED lights. So you can connect the white wire to a wire of your headlights. Then the LED light will be turned on when you open the headlight of your motorcycle at night. In this video, I will just connect the white wire to the positive wire to give you an idea of how the LED lights look. Now I got a micro USB adapter, and here is where we put the storage card. There is a SD socket and a micro USB plug. We can connect the speaker to our phone by using a micro USB. And this is how you put in the SD card. Okay, let's turn on the power and get a feel of how the speaker sounds like. As for the controller and its holder, you can just fix the holder to the wheel of your motorcycle and push the controller in it when you drive. Pull it out when you leave your motorcycle. This loudspeaker has security alarm. As I press the alarm button, the function will be started. The speaker will be sending out high-pitched alarm sound when I move it. Press it again to shut off the alarm function. Next is the music function. The LED lights will be changing with music. Press the mode button to switch it from FM radio to music mode. Let's try a more romantic song.